Hello, Team Curious.
Today's question is, who will win the vaccine race? We also have one more question. How soon can we have a vaccine for COVID-19? Yes, we all are eagerly waiting for this vaccine. This lifesaver will completely change the current situation. Many countries with lockdown are having huge problems like unemployment and economic slowdown. And those countries who have abstained themselves from lockdown are in worst condition. They are losing lives.
Some developing countries like Nigeria, which mostly rely on oil export for their GDP, is in big trouble. Their government may collapse and which will lead to chaos within the country. However, the whole world wants to end this anyhow. One option is to find a vaccine, and many countries are desperately working on developing the vaccine for coronavirus. The ultimate question is, who will win this race first? Why is this question important? Because the country to find it first will not only solve its own problem, but it will help the whole world to come out of this mess. But wait, there might be an evil government who might take advantage and make lots of profit. Do you need a hint? You can clearly assume the name of that country. However, there are countries like India who are helping other countries in their potential. Once the vaccine is out, everything will be back to normal. Life will be as it was before. Here are some companies making remarkable progress. We can see that most of the companies are from USA. Now, the second most important question is, how soon we will have the vaccine? In order to predict that, we need to know a general process of developing vaccine and its timeline. In the United States, vaccine development and testing follow a standard set of steps. According to the CDC, there are 6 stages of vaccine development. The first stage is exploratory. It is designed to identify natural or synthetic antigens. It often lasts 2 to 4 years. The second stage is preclinical. In this stage, use of tissue culture or cell culture systems and animal testing to determine whether the candidate vaccine will produce immunity. This lasts for 1 to 2 years and usually involves researchers in private industry. Third stage is clinical development. Here an application is approved by IND and FDA. Once the proposal has been approved, the vaccine must pass 3 trial phases of human testing. 1. The first attempt to assess the candidate vaccine in humans involves a small group of adults, usually between 20 to 80 subjects. The goal of phase 1 testing are to assess the safety of the candidate vaccine and to determine the type and extent of immune response that the vaccine provokes. Phase 2. A larger group of several hundred individuals participate in Phase 2 testing. The goals of Phase 2 testing are to study the candidate vaccine safety, immunogenicity, proposed doses, schedule of immunizations, and method of delivery. Phase 3, which can include thousands or tens of thousands of subjects, continues to measure the safety and effectiveness of the candidate vaccine, as rare side effects sometimes don't appear in smaller groups. After completing all the 3 phases, the 4th stage is regulatory review and approval. The vaccine developer submits a biologics license application to the FDA. 5th stage is manufacturing. Major drug manufacturers provide the infrastructure, personnel, and equipment necessary to create mass quantities of vaccines. The 6th stage is quality control. This is the last stage and it's pretty much self-explanatory. This stage is very important for improvisation. In conclusion, vaccines are developed, tested, and regulated in a very similar manner to other drugs. In general, vaccines are even more thoroughly tested than non-vaccine drugs because the number of human subjects in vaccine clinical trials is usually greater. Definitely, this process is on fast track in time of crisis. In fact, some countries have reached so far that they have exceeded the expectations of others and they are inching towards their goal swiftly. Let's talk about some recent known virus. Zika virus. Zika virus was first detected in the America in 2015 and it quickly spread to many countries in South, Central and to a smaller degree of North America. As of April 2019, no vaccines have been approved for clinical use. However, a number of vaccines are currently in clinical trials. Ebola virus. Ebola virus disease emerged at unprecedented epidemic levels in 2014. The first vaccine to be approved in the United States was in December 2019. So, the question remains, how soon we will have the vaccine? Please comment below and let us know your thoughts. Hope for the best. Subscribe to be curious.